In this video, we are going to be looking at the Bwise 7-foot by 14-foot low-profile heavy-duty dump trailer, model number DT714LPHD-14. Its GVW is 14,000 pounds. The empty weight is 4,230 pounds, giving this trailer a maximum payload capacity of 9,770 pounds. The Bwise LPHD series is a step up from the LPLE series. This LPHD includes an 8-inch tube mainframe compared to the 6-inch channel frame of the LE series. The D-rings in this LPHD are bolted on versus being welded on. It has a flat 2-inch tarp rail, while the LE series comes with a 3/4-inch round tarp rail. In addition, the LPHD has an underbed storage and fender steps. The interior dump bed measures 81.5 inches wide by 14 feet long and measures in at 20 inches deep. There are stake pockets down the sides, the shape of 2x4s, which make it easy to build up the sidewalls. The total length of the trailer, including the tongue, is 18 feet 6 inches, and the width from fender to fender measures in at 101 inches. This DT714LPHD-14 includes a 2 5/16 inch adjustable coupler and a 12,000-pound sidewind drop leg jack. It's a power-up gravity-down unit with twin telescopic cylinders and a slipper spring suspension system. It comes with two 7,000-pound E-Z Lube Axles and a 2-way combo gate. The pins can be removed from the bottom of the gate, allowing it to be used as a spreader, or it can be opened from the center like barn doors. In addition, this unit also comes with a set of slide-out ramps. Some other popular options for this trailer include a tarp kit, a spare tire mount with spare tire, an aluminum wheel upgrade, and a wireless remote. The battery on this trailer will trickle charge while it is plugged into the towing vehicle. For those who wish to charge their battery between uses with a standard 110-volt outlet, a battery charger can also be added. To reserve this trailer, view all of our live inventory, or apply for financing, visit our website at www.breckbilltrailers.com. Or to speak with the trailer specialist, pick up the phone and give us a call at 717-262-6383. Whether you are coming from Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Harrisburg, Carlisle, Hershey, York, or Lancaster, PA, or maybe Cumberland, Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland, DC, Richmond, Virginia, or Martinsburg, West Virginia, we are within a short 2-hour drive away. We are 3 miles west off Interstate 81 in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, right off exit number 16. As always, we look forward to providing you with a seamless trailer experience.